This is the GoSun Stove, a game-changing solar cooker that can finish a meal in 20 minutes, even under overcast skies. Cooking meals using only the sun, the GoSun goes wherever you do. Bake, steam, roast, and saute, nothing is off limits. Plus, it tastes great. The secret to this technology is the vacuum tube, which absorbs light and acts as a perfect insulator, holding heat through the harshest conditions. With this technology, GoSun is revolutionizing cooking for people around the world. We invite you to join the next evolution in cooking. Welcome to the fuel-free frontier.
This is how the GoSun Sport works. Sunlight enters through the transparent cover, then hits a pair of 9-inch black graniteware cooking pots. These pots absorb light, transforming the sun's energy into heat. Internal reflectors increase power. The transparent cover and heat-resistant plastic film create an insulating air layer that traps heat inside. The tough, durable outer case, with its super-efficient insulation, allows the heat to build inside while keeping the exterior cool to the touch. This makes it safe to handle while cooking and safe around children. Temperatures in the GoSun Sport typically range from 210 degrees to 260 degrees Fahrenheit, maxing out at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It simmers like a crock pot and bakes like an oven, hot enough for slow-cooked goodness, but not hot enough to burn dinner. So you can go off and do fun things while the sport is cooking.
Want to live off-grid? Or cook meals on the go without making a mess or burning your food? Meet the GoSun Fusion, a solar-powered oven without compromise. Safe to touch, even when cooking above 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the GoSun Fusion can bake, boil, or fry many dishes in as little as 20 minutes. Or cook anytime with its patented high-efficiency electric heating element, using the same amount of energy as this light bulb. Now with 25,000 customers, we're aiming to make fuel-free cooking more reliable and affordable than ever. GoSun Fusion lets you do the cooking at a fraction of the power and a fraction of the fuss, giving you the freedom to do the things you love, to feed those you care for, and to cook off-grid without gas. GoSun welcomes you to the fuel-free frontier.
It's not every day you discover a product that is powered purely by the natural glow of Mother Nature herself. Today we present to you the All-American Sun Oven. The flawless lines and brilliant design are the result of 28 years' experience cooking under the sun. No feature has gone overlooked with our newest model, built specifically to meet the cooking needs of Americans across the country. Weighing in at only 22 pounds, you will never want to leave the house without it. The Sun Oven has been built from the ground up, right here in the United States of America. It's merely a fraction of the size of your home oven. Imagine being deep out in the wilderness with no luxuries of home and being able to cook a warm, moist, decadent, mouth-watering cake in only 35 minutes. Happy birthday to me. Harnessing the energy of the sun has never been this easy. In a matter of seconds, you can unfold the Sun Oven and transform yourself into any celebrity chef you want to be. Bam!